Hey friends, if you wish to open Word, Excel, PowerPoint and Outlook in safe mode, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. For Word, type winword.exe /save and hit enter. This will open Windows Microsoft Word in safe mode. For PowerPoint, type it will become power pnt.exe /save and it will open PowerPoint in the safe mode. For Excel, simply type Excel. Now this is the easiest one. Excel /exe save and it will open Excel in the safe mode. For Outlook, you'll have to type outlook.exe /save. Now I don't have Outlook, but this is how you'll open Outlook in the safe mode. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.